Chapter 5 Periodic Classification of Elements. Key points and concepts. Characteristics of Dobereiner's traits. Point A. Properties of elements in each trait were similar. Point B. Dobereiner showed that when three elements in a trait were written in the order of their increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic masses of the other two elements. Dobereiner trade. Trade 1, trade 2, trade 3. Lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Limitations of Dobereiner traits. Dobereiner could identify only three traits. He was not able to prepare traits of all the known elements. Newland's octave. John Newland arranged the elements in order of their increasing atomic mass. It states that whenever the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass, the properties of the 8 elements are a kind of repetitions of the first, just like the notes of music. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Chlorine, potassium, calcium, chromium, titanium, manganese, Fe. Cobalt, nickel and bromium. Copper, rubidium, zinc, strontium, yttrium, cerium, lanthanum. Indium, zinc, arsenic and selenium. Limitations of Newland's law of octaves. Point A. The law was applicable to elements up to calcium only. Point B. It contained only 56 elements. Further, it was assumed by Newland that only 56 elements existed in nature and no more elements are going to be discovered in the future. Point C. In order to fit these elements into the table, Newland adjust two elements in the same slot and also put some unlike elements under the same note. For example, cobalt and nickel are in the same slot and these are placed in the same columns as fluorine, chlorine and bromine, which have very different properties than these elements. Iron, which resembles cobalt and nickel in properties, has been placed differently away from these elements. Characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table. Point A. Mendeleev arranged all the 63 known elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. Point B. The table consists of vertical columns called groups and horizontal row called periods. Point C. The elements with similar physical and chemical properties come under same groups. Limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Point A. He could not assign a correct positions of hydrogen in the periodic table. Point B. Positions of isotopes of all the elements were not certain according to Mendeleev periodic tables. Point C. Atomic masses did not increase in a regular manner in going from one element to the next, so it was possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between the two elements. Modern periodic law. It states that properties of an element are the periodic functions of their atomic number. Elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number in the modern periodic table. Trend in modern periodic table. Valency. It is the number of valence electrons present in the outermost shell. Valency remains the same down a group but change across a period. Atomic size. It is the distance between center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of an isolated atom. Atom's radius decreases from left to right along a period due to increasing in nuclear charge. Atomic radius increase down the groups due to additions of extra shell as we go down the group. Metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose electrons. Metallic characters decreases across a period as the effective nuclear charge increases. Metals are electropositives as they tend to lose electrons while forming bonds. Metallic character increases as we go down a group as the effective nuclear charge decreases. Non-metals are electronegatives. They tend to form bond by gaining electrons. Metals are found on the left side of the periodic tables while non-metals are towards the right hand side of the periodic table. In the middle we have semi-metals or metalloids because they exhibit some properties of both metals and non-metals. Oxides of metals are basic in nature while oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Nature of oxide. Oxide of metals are basic in nature while oxide of non-metals are acidic in nature. On moving from left to right along a period, basic character of oxide decreases and acidic character increases. As we go down the groups, nature of oxide remains the same.